Hi, David here from Jotform, here to show you how to assign forms on our new mobile app. Start by choosing the form you'd like to assign to a teammate or staff member. Add the assignee's name, email address, and an optional message. Your new assignee will then receive information on how to access your form on their mobile device. They'll start by downloading the free Jotform mobile app. Then log in with the email and password provided. Now they can open the assigned form on their device and start recording data, generating leads, or collecting customer feedback for you. All submissions are automatically linked to your Jotform account so you can seamlessly view responses collected by teammates or staff members for ultimate collaboration. Jotform mobile forms, robust forms that work anywhere.